Hello everyone, what's up? So today's video, I thought I should upload a video on the Canadian weather they've been having. So you can see it is March 7th, 2011, and we've been hit again by 5 to 15 centimeters of snow. Got the fresh old white stuff. Even though I'm Canadian, I really want the snow to be over and let summer start so I can start mowing some lawns, making some more money, and buying some new tarantulas with it. And also take out my Oldsmobile, my car. Haven't seen that car in over 5 months since I last parked it, so hopefully we'll get it out by the first week of April. Anyways, yeah, so that's my story on that. So today's video, I want to end off with a little better video of the P-Antinous Jade that molted. So I have the skin right over here, so we can all measure her, see how big she used to be. So I have the 1 millimeter mark on the leg. So it measures 13 centimeters, but you know the fact that it's already hardened, it's like paper. So she could be well over 7 inches, at least. So that's good. So anyway, let's have a look at her and see how big she got. I think she's over 8 inches now. So it's a certainly good plus here. Don't want to disturb her. But this is what she looks like. If you remember the Mythbuster video that I posted on this species, I showed you a picture of what an Antinous female looks like. You can really tell the difference. I'll bring the molt here so you can compare the sizes. She didn't really grow very much. She probably got maybe about 1/4 of an inch. Whoop. Sorry, Jade. Oh, she's shaking hairs already. So yeah, you can tell the difference between the molted skin and the newly molted tarantula. You can tell that she has slightly red hairs on the right side of the abdomen. She is a black velvet color, just like my G. pulchra. And she's really amazing. Kind of looks like 2 tarantulas. So you can tell the huge differences between a post-molted T and one that wasn't pre-molt. See, 6-liter shoebox, that's more than enough for the species. Alright, so stop shaking hairs. She loves that. All Pomphos are serious hair kickers. But overall, I just wanted to share with you the Canadian weather we're having and the P-Antinous molt. Hopefully in better lighting. So, close her up. Hope you enjoyed this awesome video. And I'll give you a recap on the upcoming Mythbuster videos that I'll be uploading and making. So, here we go. We're at 21 now with the S. calceatum, so the 22nd is a New World species, so I'm going to be covering the Nandu. Then 23 is an Old World. I decided to do one on the P. smithy, so someone asked me to make a video on that. I believe it was Flint. And 24, we got some requests for the Cyclosternum species. I'm going to cover the Fasciatum and the Schmarde. 25 will probably be the O. orotobalius, and then 26 would be the Zenithus species. So then again, I'm going to be uploading more frequently all these videos. I'm going to start feeding up the female T. sturmey so I can try to mate with her. Mate her with the male, and hopefully the new feeding video, tarantula feeding video 65, will be aired on possibly Thursday. Yeah. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this awesome video, and thanks for watching.